What's up guys, I'm Zain and today I'm going to show you how to get a Monzo credit card. Now first thing you should do is to simply open your Monzo application on your phone. Then after that you will get into the home page as you can see. Then you should tap on this card on the top of the page. Then it will show you some options like this: replace add money card details. Just scroll to the left and you will see this card right here, Flex credit card for example. Now what you should do is to scroll down till you find this button right here, see if you are eligible. Tap on it, then it will ask you to confirm your identity. Click on continue and confirm your identity. After that they'll give you some questions that you have to answer them. There are questions about your financial status, residential status, how much money you get monthly, and all this stuff, just in order to review your information and see if they're going to accept you or not. After filling in all these information, all you have to do is to scroll down and click on submit. And within a couple of days, they will review your full information and see whether they will accept you and give you the card or not. And that is it. Don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, share, and see you in a new video.